In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use engagement reports in Google Analytics 4. Engagement reports in GA4 help you understand what people actually do on your site or app once they arrive. Instead of just counting visits, these reports focus on attention and interaction, things like how long users stay actively engaged, which content holds their focus, and which actions they take. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to gauge quality, not just quantity. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This takes you into the Google Analytics interface for your property. Once it loads, look to the left-hand side for the main navigation. That vertical menu is your control center, and it's where you'll find all of your reporting areas. Next, click on Reports in the left-hand menu. Reports is where GA4 organizes the key dashboards you'll use day to day. You'll see sections that group related insights together. One of the most important is called Life Cycle. Think of Life Cycle as the story of a user's journey from discovery to repeat use. Within the life cycle section, click Engagement. This opens a set of focused views that show how users interact after they land on your site or app. At the top of Engagement, you'll typically see an overview with cards and charts. A few metrics to pay attention to here. Engaged sessions shows how many sessions had meaningful interaction. In GA4, an engaged session is one that lasts longer than 10 seconds, includes a conversion event, or has 2 or more page or screen views. Average engagement time is the active time your content is in the foreground, which is a more realistic signal of attention than traditional session duration. You'll also see totals like event count and views, giving you a quick sense of how active your audience is overall. Scroll a bit and you'll find breakdowns that add context. The events view shows which interactions happen most often, things like clicks, scrolls, or custom events you've configured, so you can spot the behaviors that matter. Pages and screens highlights which pages or screens attract attention and how long users stay engaged on each, helping you identify top performers and potential drop-off points. Landing page focuses on the first page of a session, showing which entrances lead to stronger engagement. As you review these charts, look for trends over time, outliers that spike or dip, and content that consistently keeps users engaged. Higher engaged sessions and stronger average engagement time generally indicate that users find your experience useful and easy to navigate. That's it. Go to analyticsgoogle.com, open reports, and explore the engagement section to see how users truly interact with your content. Use these insights to refine pages, streamline journeys, and focus on the interactions that matter most.